line, reverses good, Aditya Pagpag! Bang! Jackson, here it comes. Bang!
In a 7-game series. So this is not just the players, but the coaching staff as well will feel good entering into this finals.
The best. Ball to Chris Ross, and now SNB on the run. From Diablo by Bates! Karam, Jericho, sneaky pass, there it is, the extra pass to Junmar.
That's exactly what you were.
Cruz. Marcio from way downtown. That's good for three. Is off and running. Marcio with a Hesse. Marcio gets the end one. Tied game at 64 apiece. Tough jumper coming from a lane, Maliksi, but he takes it right between the eyes of Moto Tua. Simon, oh, hesitant, and Abong Quito is ahead. Quito slams it home! The screen from Bates. Bates on the roll. Bates, first layup, and one against Junmar. To keep their heads above water, Banquero, the pass to Almazan. Raymond connects.
What a game as well.
Cruz loses the ball to Newsome. Nunu to CB, layup is good!